Hi guys. Today we're going to talk about using the order of operations. Okay? Now, you may have heard the expression, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. All right? And that is often used as a mnemonic to remember the order of operations. Well, you will have to please excuse my dear Aunt Sally because she's often a liar. See, if we were to do this explicitly by parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction in that order all the time, you would get some wrong answers because we need to treat this as multiplication and division, whichever comes first, addition and subtraction, whichever comes first. Now, I've come up with a way to think about this that hopefully you'll find both entertaining and useful. Okay? So, if you treat it like a game, like the left to right game, like Super Mario Brothers, for instance. Okay? So, let's say you have your player here, and this is level 1. Your player always has to go in this direction. All right. So on this level, you're only going to encounter parentheses. So once you've taken care of all the parentheses, you've conquered the level. Okay. So let's say you're on level 2. Level 2 is all about exponents. So x to the y, m to the n, j to the k. All right. So once you've taken care of all the exponents, you've completed level 2. Now on level 3, there's a mixed bag. Because on level 3, you might run into some multiplication, you might run into some division, but then you might run into some more division and some more multiplication. Remember, you're always going from left to right. So whatever you encounter from left to right is what you need to do first in each of these levels. And then finally, in level 4, you will be going up against addition and subtraction. Or maybe it's subtraction and addition. Whatever you encounter from left to right, whatever you encounter first is what you need to solve. Okay? So let's take a look at some examples of these problems. Let's do 36 divided by 4 times -1 plus 4 squared. Okay? So let's go through our game board and do everything in the order that it should happen in the game. Okay, so level 1 is parentheses. We do have a set of parentheses here. That means I need to do what is ever inside of those parentheses. So I'll rewrite my problem. 36 divided by 4 times whatever's in the parentheses. So that's -1 plus 4. So -1 plus 4, that's +3 squared. All right. My next step will be, well, are there any more parentheses? Just the parentheses around the 3, but everything in the parentheses has been solved. So the next thing I need to do is exponents. All right. So 3 to the second power, that's 9. So I have 36 divided by 4 times 9. All right, we go back up to our game board, and we are now in level 3. Level 3 is multiplication and division from left to right. So I start at the left, and I work my way right. Okay? So 36 divided by 4 is 9. So 9 times 9, that is 81. So my final answer is 81. And that's how you use the order of operations.